Hey, what's up, YouTube? We got a this is gonna be for like Chrysler Sebring Dodge Journeys. This is a 2014 Dodge Journey. We're just doing the battery. So unfortunately on these cars, the battery is located on the driver's side. Got to take off the tire right here in the fender well. Let me get you some light here. You got these little push pins right here going along the fender. You're going to have to take out. You can get a trim tool or one of these little push pin tools. Just take these out right here. Sometimes I use a little combination of both of them to get them out. Sometimes they're real stubborn, but just go along here, take all of these out. So I'm gonna take these out and then we'll come right back, okay? Okay, so you got got this nut right here. It's gonna be a 13 millimeter on this J hook. That's a 10 millimeter right here on the side to loosen this up. Then you got another 10 right here. They made it at an angle so you can get it pretty easy. And then that will loosen up this one. And then you're gonna take this off right here, slide that up. And now you can just slide your battery forward. All right. Okay, so when you take your battery out, make sure that you put it back in. Your positive is on the left side. Make sure your positive, same thing. Another thing is, I didn't take this all the way out. You know, I just left, one or two on the bottom. Save yourself a lot of headache. Get some lubricant, and you spray these little clips, these little black clips, push pins with the lubricant. They'll come right out, because otherwise they can be really stuck. And then I just took the top and just kind of put it up here, and that's it. Then you're just gonna put this back in, and then put your positive, negative back on. Put your J hook back in. Take the J hook out too, all the way. You just gotta twist it like that, and it'll come right out. Because otherwise, it's gonna get in your way. You won't be able to get it out. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.